At the last sound, not a whisper was heard or a poem was read, but felt instead. And the house of mourning, just because you who have forgotten dreams are in this crowded marketplace. Bittersweet were the memories of a time long ago, moments of constant rumination of times where others pointed out flaws and shortcomings, were most distasteful, how disgraceful. But the heart is only an echo chamber of unresolved trauma projected by a corrupted mind. But only in childhood does freedom truly exist before society took over and enslaved the innocence of a being once carefree through ideologies, expectations, double standards, and a false sense of responsibility. Light as lead feathers from clipped wings, all children were born into chaos.